always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Good afternoon, West Michigan. We've had some scattered showers and thunderstorms so far today, nothing severe. The closest we got was a few storms this morning being tagged as a special weather statement. If you look at our lightning strike count, it is over 950, but you'll notice vast majority of that targeting the east side of the state now as they see heavy widespread showers moving towards the Ann Arbor and eventually Detroit region. Excuse me. Further up to the north, we do have a few more scattered showers that continue to impact us and had a couple sprinkles in the Allegan region there as well. The couple sprinkles that we're seeing further up to the north are very light and scattered. As we head throughout the afternoon, though, that could change. We have a warm front across our region, and as that continues to linger in that vicinity along the I-96 corridor, that's where we could start to see some strong to severe thunderstorms fire southward. You'll also notice a little bit of breakage in the clouds. Any sunshine that we see could be the fuel for stronger storms later on today. Storm Prediction Center holding us in this enhanced risk for our counties along and south of I-96. That's a level 3 out of 5. Remaining portion of West Michigan in that slight risk, level 2 out of 5. Keep in mind, we'll get an update on this around 12:30, so we could see that trimmed back a little bit. It does look like the main target for these really stronger storms will be near and south of I-94, so we could see that trimmed back regardless. Be ready for this afternoon. It is going to be active no matter where you are. Some of us could see strong to severe storms. All of us will see rain. Some of us will see very heavy rain coming right along with this. You'll notice some of these downpours really start to try to set up around that 3 o'clock time frame, but the main event holds off until about that 4 or 5 o'clock time frame as this line pushes inward, starting southwest, moving northeast. And again, damaging wind is going to be our top threat here initially, but heavy rain does linger, so we'll have to keep an eye out for localized flash flooding concerns. A few more showers and thunderstorms possible as we move into Thursday morning before we'll quickly dry out into Thursday afternoon and even have some sunshine return to our forecast there. So again, we have a medium threat for heavy rain, damaging wind and tornadoes. Hail looking relatively low as this line continues to develop. 2 o'clock would be the earliest that we could see some thunderstorms, and 9 o'clock would be the latest, although it does look like that line is pretty steadily going to move on shore right around 4 or 5 o'clock today. So be prepared again during that evening commute. Now, talking those rain totals, again, we are expecting to see some pretty significant local high totals. You'll notice where those pops of yellow along really portions of Kent County stretching towards Montcalm. That would put us in that 2 or more inch range. Most of us, I think, will get away with about a half to an inch of rain, but we'll really have to see where those thunderstorms set up and how long they linger. Again, flash flooding could be a concern. We also do have that flood risk in place. This is a little bit different than the Storm Prediction Center scale. It only goes 1 through 4, but we're still in that slight risk, which is a level 2 out of 5 on our scale pretty much for the entire state. Now, as mentioned, tomorrow for Juneteenth, we'll kick off the day with some scattered showers and thunderstorms. We'll be a little bit cooler into the afternoon with highs in the mid 70s, and we should have some sunshine into the afternoon out there as well. Fairly dry weekend. We'll get clipped by some thunderstorms Friday, some of which could be a little bit stronger, but we'll get a little bit of closer look at that as we get closer into the weekend. Dry, sunny and hot. We'll talk low to mid 90s, at least a 5-day stretch of that starting Saturday and carrying through the middle of next week.